Hello everyone, Mike Arnold's here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino, checking in on Tesla. Update the levels here. Let me start with the daily chart. And let me hide the volume. I'm using that for something. You can actually see the volume continuing to diminish as long as it's in this range. But that's not really the point of this video right now. The point is, I updated again. I took off the significant level that used to be around this 1477 area. Putting one now, 1430. That's the key level I'm watching. If we get a move below there, then I'll watch for this 1365, 1315, 1262. Same levels to the downside. To the upside, I'm going to be watching Friday's high on a move above Friday's high, a 1517. Then I'll be watching the 1556 level. Then I'll start watching a return. I'm looking at about 1640 to the upside still. So Friday back down, test the bottom of the rotation zone. This was a pretty weak rotation back up inside day. So going to be really paying attention to Friday's high and low. Okay, so Friday's low just below that 1430 level and just below the rotation zone. But those are the two levels I'll be watching for either a breakdown or a breakout. 4 hour moving averages, we're in neutral mode. They've gone flat, even though they've crossed the bear side. We're back above them slightly. I'm just neutral on the 4 hour. Really paying attention to that daily chart. No other levels on this 4 hour that matter. If it does break down 1400 round number and the 50 period exponential, but that's probably going to be some minor support area. That's all it is. Watch for the breakout of Friday's high or low. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.